Cherry barbecue sauce. Savory, sweet, and oh so delicious on meat, this cherry barbecue sauce livens up summer grilled meals. Start by cooking the shallot and rosemary in butter over medium-low heat. Once you taste this sauce, you'll never want to be without cherries in your freezer again. When the shallot is translucent, add maple balsamic vinegar, orange juice, cherry preserves, salt, ancho chili seasoning, cocoa powder, brown sugar, maple syrup, Worcestershire, and dried cherry cranberries. Did you notice the cocoa powder in the ingredients list? It adds an intriguing complexity to savory sauces, and in this recipe, complements the smokiness of ancho chili seasoning. Both of these flavors boost the distinct sweetness of the cherries. In addition to the convenience of using frozen cherries, you don't have to pit them. Making this sauce is an easy affair. Have a short cherry season in your area? No problem. The star of our barbecue sauce is frozen cherries. By all means, if you can get fresh cherries, use them. You can even buy in abundance and freeze them yourself. Time to add the frozen cherries to the pan. Cook until they're softened, 20 to 25 minutes. Take the saucepan off the heat and allow the mixture to cool slightly. At this point, you'll be tempted to eat this sauce with a big spoon. So take a bite, but then transfer the rest to a blender. We're sure you'll find plenty of mouth-watering ways to enjoy this amazing must-eat barbecue condiment. Blend until it's smooth. Now you've got yourself a boldly flavored, richly colored barbecue sauce that you can use immediately or cool completely and store in the refrigerator. Our cherry barbecue sauce also makes a great gourmet gift for your foodie friends.